Hey guys, today I will be reviewing a couple things from Beetles. It's going to be like a two-part video. Today I am going to be looking at their new nail tips. I got the size medium square, and in the next video I will be looking at their gel polish kit. It's their Pisces kit, but it's their old like mermaid tears kit as well. I think they just sort of like reworked it a little bit. So we'll be looking at that later, but let's go ahead and jump into this box of tips because I am so excited. Okay, so to start off, these tips are currently $14.85 on their website. They're having a sale going on right now. They're originally $19.99 and you get 500 pieces, 10 sizes. They are full cover, clear tips. They're not pre-buffed. I got a smaller size this time because I don't have too many like short nail extensions. I will say they feel quite nice. I need to look at my drawer and see if I have the old ones, but these are very, very thin. I don't feel like their other ones were quite as thin as these are. Like I'm getting some bend all the way up to the top. But let's go ahead and see how they compare to Gel X nails. Because of course, this is what everyone wants to know. Are they any better than Gel X, or are they same? Is Gel X really worth that much money if I can get a dupe for it? So let's go ahead and see the difference between the two. Obviously, it's a different shape, so, you know, of course. I will say, I mean, Apres, if you can look at the thickness, and I know it's always so hard to show you this, but this one is definitely much, much thinner. I would say it's about like half as thin as the Apres tip. That goes all the way through. This is a flatter nail, so it's not as arched as Apres, but again, I was corrected in the comment sections about that one a while ago. It is Apres. Anyways, but you can see that clearly there is a much larger like curve with this one, but that's only because I got the sculpted ones. It's no difference in like the C curve for there is. It's not as curved, but like you can always bend it and like fix that yourself, so that doesn't really matter to me anyways. Sometimes I like the C curve, sometimes I don't, so it's not so much about that. It is a shorter nail, so I would still expect it to be a little thicker than this, but let's go ahead and do the bend test, of course. So this is the Apres tip, and when you bend it, you get that white line, and when you pull it apart, it goes away. Now, I should mention that the Beetles nails, these are soft gel nails, or so they say anyways. They are called the Pre-Shaped Nail Jelly Tips Series 500 Tips. So let's go ahead and give this a bend. To be honest with you, of how thin it is, I don't have that much like hope for it. I mean, it went back pretty good. There's a little bit of like whiteness still back in this part. You can kind of see a little misshapen back by the cuticle. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to hold it so you could actually see. It's like I'm trying to show you something on camera that's so minuscule. Let me see if I can get it to focus on this. I don't know. Can you see that little bend back there that's still left? Please don't mind my nails. I have not prepped them yet, and they're kind of rough looking. So they don't necessarily pass the bend test. They do feel kind of thin, I'm not gonna lie. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna pick out my sizes and we will start applying them, and then I'll let you know what I think. Okay, got my sizes all picked out. I don't know what I did with the original Beetles like nail glue, so I'm just gonna use one of these like solid nail glues today. I also did want to mention that I did check the price for the Apres tips, and they are almost $30. So there is a difference between the two. Obviously, a decent amount, I would say, when it comes to like nail products. But let's go ahead and apply these and like just see, you know, maybe once you get them on, they're not as bad. I'm hoping that the reason why they're so thin is because they're so short. They call these medium, but like I would probably consider this like a short. We'll see. All right, so I'm going to be using this, and then I've got my little lamp here that I'm going to be kind of flash curing with. I'll try to just hold it to the side so you can sort of see what's going on. Okay, let me bring this into the middle. I'm going to take a little scoop of this. I forgot how hard this stuff really is. And I try not to take like too big of a scoop because like too much can be I don't know. It's just not good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, oh, this is so hard to show you guys. I am going to kind of like rock it down and then push it back and continue to press down, but I don't need to press super hard. And then I kind of turn it this way just to check on it. That's the thing, like with this solid gel as opposed to like nail glue, I guess, or like a builder gel. You really don't have to push that hard. You don't have to hold it while it's curing, which I love. I do need to push it down just a little bit more though. Okay, let me just check all which way that I can. That is cured. I mean, what the hell? Oh my God, my light's not plugged in. Oh, all right, I'm just gonna put it in my big lamp then. It's not, I don't have to hold it, so it's really not that big of a deal. You guys get the gist. I'm gonna go ahead and apply them off camera, and then I'll be back and I'll just kind of let you guys know what I think. Okay, so here are the nails. I mean, they look pretty good. They feel pretty good, like they are on there. Let me see if I can get this stinking camera to focus on this area. Like, I'm pushing really hard. Like, I mean, you can see like the skin in my actual nail bed, like how hard I'm pulling or pushing, I should say. And like, it's not bending. They don't feel weak right now that they're on the nail. They are quite thin, as you can see. They are pretty darn thin, and that kind of worries me a bit, but only time will tell. So I will have to update you, I guess, in a later video and kind of let you know how they held up. I didn't really clean them up yet because I am just gonna be doing my nails tomorrow. I'm not gonna do them right now, so I don't care to clean them up. I mean, you get a decent amount of nails. They're pretty good. They look nice. I do really like the shape of them. They're cheap. They look nice. Like, I don't know what other criteria to give them. Like I said, they're pretty thin, so I kind of deduct points for that. But at the same time, it's like, I don't know if it's just because they're so short. I don't think I own any nails this short. Like, I don't have anything to compare them to. The only nails that I remember being this short are the McCart ones, and those ones broke after like a couple days. So like I said, I will just have to keep an eye on them and keep you guys updated, whether it's updating you Instagram or TikTok or in a later video. You know, it just depends on how long they last. So we'll see. I'm pleasantly surprised so far though. They do seem like nice nails. The shape was great. The sizes were great. I will say that I actually got to size down, should I say size down? Like, yeah, go a higher size, but it's really like a larger number. God, that's so confusing because they're flatter. So I feel like normally with more curved nails, I have to go to a bigger number so the nail is smaller. Okay. You get what I'm trying to say, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, I like them. I don't hate them. I have high hopes for them right now. I do love the box. I'm glad that it comes in a nice box rather than a plastic bag. I'm just super excited to see how these work out. So thank you, Beetles, for sending them and letting me try them out. Part 2, remember, stay tuned for the gel polishes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye, guys.